Selling ebooks is a simple and effective way to make money online by sharing knowledge, telling stories, or providing valuable information. Ebooks are digital books that can be read on devices like phones, tablets, or e-readers. They're popular because they're easy to create, distribute, and purchase. Let's break down how selling ebooks works and how you can get started. First, decide on your ebook topic. Choose something you're passionate about or have expertise in. It could be anything from self-help to recipes, fitness guides, or even fiction. For example, if you're a personal trainer, you could write an ebook on home workout routines. Focus on solving a specific problem or entertaining your audience to make your ebook valuable. Next, create your ebook. You don't need fancy tools. Just write it using software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, then format it for digital reading. Most ebooks are saved as PDFs or in formats compatible with platforms like Kindle. Add eye-catching visuals and ensure your content is well-organized and error-free. If design isn't your strength, consider hiring a freelance designer to create a professional-looking cover, as a great cover can make a big difference in attracting buyers. Once your ebook is ready, you'll need to choose a platform to sell it. Popular options include Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Gumroad, and Selfie. Amazon KDP is a favorite because it lets you reach millions of readers worldwide. On platforms like KDP, you can upload your ebook, set your price, and publish it for sale. Some platforms even let you offer print-on-demand options for physical copies. Marketing your ebook is crucial for generating sales. Use social media, email newsletters, and your own website to promote your ebook. Share previews, testimonials, or a free chapter to entice readers. If you already have an audience, such as a blog or YouTube channel, use it to drive traffic to your ebook sales page. For example, if you run a food blog, you could promote your ebook of unique recipes to your readers. The best part about selling ebooks is that it creates passive income. Once the ebook is written and published, it can continue to generate sales without much additional effort. You can even write multiple ebooks to diversify your income stream. However, keep in mind that competition is high, so delivering high-quality content and actively marketing your work are essential for success. In summary, selling ebooks is a straightforward way to earn money by sharing your knowledge or creativity. Choose a valuable topic, create and format your ebook, and sell it through platforms like Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Market it effectively to reach your audience, and enjoy the benefits of passive income as your ebook generates sales over time.